Hello and welcome to the first video of Master the Coding Interview Big Tech Fan Interview. The whole point of this course, okay, is to learn problem solving framework, right? Especially when it comes to the digital industry. Problem solving frameworks, okay? So, with that, let's jump in. All right. Just verifying that. It says great, cool. This is to prevent DDoS attacks from their website. Okay, and then let's go to the master. Let me see if that actually pop up. Mastering coding interview here. That's right. Here. Again, the whole point of this course is to learn problem-solving frameworks. All right, so let's start this course here. Why this course?
Welcome to Master the Coding Interview, a course that helps you take your programming career to the next level. Whether you are a self-taught programmer looking for your first developer job, a computer science student, or even a career veteran and engineer, the course is designed to get you through an interview at some of the top tech companies while making you a better programmer. I'm Andre, a senior software.
Yeah, okay, this is to make you a better programmer. Okay, this is one. But the whole point of this is, remember, something that even here they mention over there in the last section here. No, they don't tell you this. Okay. Who is this course? No, any prerequisite? Where? Okay. Is here. Okay. That's right. So throughout this course, which is this, throughout this course, you will learn a problem-solving framework, so that you can answer any interview question that this company may throw at you, versus hoping they ask one that you have memorized. So again, but this is for interview questions from this company, but I would like to look is more for real life use case. Okay, that's one of the things that I'm looking at. This is to also to be not only a top developer, but is to get this problem solving framework when it comes to the computer science. So move on.
Software developer that has consulted and worked for some of the biggest tech firms, both in Toronto and Silicon Valley. I've worked with and managed numerous engineering teams, and I've been part of numerous interviews. As an educator, over 60,000 programmers have taken my courses last year alone. The goal in this course is not to teach you what 90% of the population does. The goal is to teach you to stand out and be an exceptional programmer during the coding interview. And unlike most courses that just list a ton of problems and give you a solution, I take you from lessons that teach you the principles and fundamental ideas to doing exercises and problems together, step by step, coding along, so you understand how we do things, and most importantly, why we do things. This course is actually too cool.
Yeah, this is very, very important to know. So here in the section 1, this is the introduction. The introduction here. So why this course? Okay, so why this course? To learn problem solving frameworks in the computer science. And to be top, and to improve my programming skills, and to improve my programming skills, which is this. Again, just when it comes to face this kind of challenge, do that thing.
Courses built into one. The first part is computer science theory and technical coding interview problems. You're going to learn algorithms and data structures in Big O notation from scratch. In each section, you're going to be solving real-life interview problems that I've selected based on importance from Google, Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon. The second part of the course is the non-technical interview preparation. There are sections that take you from how to get more interviews, how to format your resume, portfolio, LinkedIn, even GitHub, how to answer common non-technical questions, how to handle offers, as well as negotiating a raise specifically for engineers. With this course, you will get a lifetime access to over 200 videos, as well as cheat sheets on resumes, interview problems, and step-by-step instructions on what to do during a whiteboard coding interview. You will also get access to our online community that has thousands of developers chatting online, solving interview problems together, and doing monthly coding challenges while helping you get through the course. I'm proud to say that we have the most active developer community on Udemy. The beauty is that everything you learn in this course is not programming language specific. Although I use JavaScript to demonstrate code, all the questions and principles you learn can be done in all types of programming languages. You'll also find my solution files and interactive exercises using REPL, which can be written in different languages. You won't have to go around buying different books, different tutorials, and seeing which is up to date and which is not. This course is complete and will be updated as the industry evolves, so that you can always come back to it whenever you are looking to interview in the future. Although we spend most of our lives working, the actual time preparing and studying for an interview is very small. Let's gain that extra edge, because once you learn it, you have it for life. By the way, if this course does not do what it promises, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. I look forward to helping you succeed in this journey. Have a look at the next video to see the course breakdown. See you inside.
Okay.
Into one.
So this is important to know how this course is outlined, all right?
Most courses that just list a ton of problems and give you a solution, I take you from lessons that teach you the principles and fundamental ideas.
Exactly. So here we're going to learn is the principles and fundamentals. Here we are going to learn principles and fundamentals.
To doing exercises and problems together, step by step, coding.
So to solve programming problems for this company.
Along, so you understand how we do things, and most importantly, why we do things. This course is actually two courses built into one.
So this course is 2 in 1, meaning
the first part is computer science theory and technical coding interview problem.
Okay. So the first part is technical.
This course is actually two courses built into one.
Computer science
the first part is computer science theory and technical coding.
Okay, so computer science theory. So the first part computer science theory. Okay, the computer science theory. Holy hell, in theory. Okay.
Interview problems. You're going to learn. This course is actually two courses built into one. The first part is computer science theory and technical coding interview problems. You're going to learn.
In technical coding, exactly. The first part is computer science theory and technical coding.
This course is actually two courses built into one. The first part is computer science theory and technical coding interview problems.
In technical coding interview problems. Important. Computer science theory and technical coding interview problems. So why this course? This is the first part of this course.
You're going to learn algorithms and data structures in Big O notation.
Okay. Which is algorithm, data structures, and Big O notation. Something that I'm quite familiar with. but again, it refreshed
from
those
scratch. In each section, you're going to be solving real-life interview problems that I've selected based on importance from Google.
So here we are going. So here we are going to solve real life problems. Okay, so here we're going to solve real life problems.
Google Net.
Exactly. From FANG interview questions.
Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon. The second part of the course is the non-technical interview preparation.
So the second part, okay, is
There are sections that Netflix, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon. The second part of the course is the non-technical interview preparation.
The non-technical interview preparation.
There are sections that take you from how to get more interviews, how to format your resume, portfolio, LinkedIn, even GitHub, how to answer common non-technical questions, how to handle offers,
Exactly.
how to get more interviews, how to format your resume.
Here is how to format your resume. Yeah, how to format your resume.
Portfolio, LinkedIn, even GitHub, how to answer common
Exactly, how to format your resume, portfolio, GitHub, LinkedIn.
non-technical questions, how to handle offers.
Yeah, how to handle offers,
as well as negotiating a raise.
as well as how to handle offer, how to handle raise.
Specifically for engineers. With this course, you will get a lifetime access to over 200 videos, as well as cheat sheets on resumes, interview problems, and step-by-step instructions on what to do during a whiteboard coding interview. You will also get access to our online community that has thousands of developers chatting online, solving interview problems together, and doing monthly coding challenges while helping you get through the course. I'm proud to say that we have the most active developer community on Udemy. The beauty is that everything you learn in this course is not programming language specific.
Exactly. So the beauty of this course is not language specific.
Although I use JavaScript to demonstrate code, all the questions and principles you learn can be done in all types of programming languages. You also find my solution files and interactive exercises using REPL, which can be written in different languages. You won't have to go around buying different books, different tutorials, and seeing which is up to date and which is not. This course is complete and will be updated as the industry evolves, so that you can always come back to it whenever you are looking to interview in the future. Although we spend most of our lives working, the actual time preparing and studying for an interview is very small. Let's gain that extra edge, because once you learn it, you have it for life. By the way, if this course does not do what it promises, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. I look forward to helping you succeed in this journey. Have a look at the next video to see the course breakdown. See you inside.
Okay. Wow. And how to succeed in this video?
You know yourself and how you learn best. This isn't a video of me just telling you how to learn. Instead, I'm going to point out some things that may help you get the most out of this course based on how this course is structured. Think of this course as having two courses into one. The first part, right over here, is the non-technical aspects of the interview. These are the skills that you will use throughout your career to get a leg up from the competition and make sure that you are able to optimize your chances of getting a well-paid job that you love. We're going to be talking about how to get more interviews and talk about all these topics right over here. We'll also talk about non-technical interview questions, the most common questions that we get asked in an interview, and how to overcome them. And then finally, talk about offer and negotiation, an often overlooked skill.
So the course
We'll also talk about non-technical interview up from the competition and make sure that you are able to optimize your chances of getting a well-paid job that you love. We're going to be talking about how to get more interviews and talk about right over here is the non-technical aspects of the interview. These are the skills that you will use throughout your career to get a leg up from the competition and make sure that you are able to optimize your chances of getting a well-paid job that you love. We're going to be talking about how to get more interviews and talk about all these topics right over here.
Getting the
We'll also
interview.
talk about non-technical interview questions, the most common questions that we get asked in an interview, and how to overcome them. And then finally, talk about offer and negotiation, an often overlooked skill, where we talk about how to handle offers and even negotiate a raise. The second part of the course is all technical. This is the really fun part of the course, where we learn fundamental computer science topics that get asked at some of the top companies. And don't let this diagram intimidate you. By the end of the course, you're going to master all these topics. We're going to learn about data structures, like arrays, stacks, trees, graphs, and then specific ones, like priority queues, binary search tree, double linked list. We're going to learn about algorithms, how to traverse a tree in a graph, how to use recursion properly, how to improve time complexity and big O notation, how do we do sorting, perhaps even searching, all with the goal to help us write better code and answer interview questions. One of my favorite sections here is when we're going to take you through a Google interview and demonstrate each piece of the puzzle so that by the end of it all, you're able to answer really difficult questions as if you were part of that interview. By the end of it, you're going to feel confident in any coding interview or whiteboard interview. At the end, we're also going to have a ton of questions for you to do on top of the ones that we're going to do together from all these companies, plus specific questions, whether you want to be a front-end engineer or a back-end engineer. So you have 3 options with this course. If you want, you can just do each course separately, and that is fine. However, the course is structured in a way that these 2 courses are ordered to make you understand the topic, build the fundamentals, and really connect the dots on interviewing. So to get the most out of this course, you should follow the lessons in order, since you may gain an insight or two, even if you thought, oh, leave me alone, Andre, I already know this stuff. So now that you have an idea of the outline, let's talk about what it means to succeed in this course. First, make sure you use our online Discord community to communicate with fellow students, ask questions, and talk about anything you may want when it comes to interviews. There's nothing better than talking out loud and practicing in front of people or with others. I'm also active every day on this community. The second part, these exercises get harder and harder in each section. They will challenge you and make you really extend your abilities as a developer. This is done on purpose. We're going to be building our foundation throughout the course and do challenging problems so that when it comes to real interviews, you find things easy. Although I walk you through the solutions, I encourage you to use available resources to solve the answer. Think of it this way. If someone offered you $10,000 bonus to study interview questions for a month, would you do it? That is what you're doing, practicing for this. By working hard and practicing what most people don't do, interviewing, you're putting yourself in a higher salary position for the rest of your life. The third point, I know it sounds silly, but it's important. Anytime you feel like you're just watching a video and aren't understanding a topic, stop what you're doing and take a break. Come back to the problem. You won't be able to finish this course in 1 week. If you do it properly, it will take you about 1 month to finish everything in here. So take your time. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Finally,
this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Yeah. Yeah, completely. And then we got the extra bits here. Okay.
Try to complete the full course instead of just parts of it. Most lessons are tied into one from another, so that they flow and we keep building this pyramid of knowledge. We'll start from basics and get into more and more advanced topics. Alright, I think it's time for us to start the course and get prepared to land our dream job. Let's get started and see you in the next section. Bye-bye.
Well, this is more like an outline of where we're gonna look here, right? This is a code to refresh the data structure in algorithm. This is a course to refresh the data structure in algorithm.
Better code and answer interview questions. By the end of it, you can just do each course separately, and that is fine. However, the course is...
So this is how you can do this course. Okay, pace course or course pace. UCAN is fast track, getting the interview, non-technical interview, offer plus negotiation. a detached track, big notation, and things like that. All right. So technical interview using a Coglit. Public diagram. Master the interview, offer negotiation, and they add a link to that. And big notation, technical interview. With a hash collision and dynamic array, resizing but unlikely. Master the interview, click here the course. Exactly, to look at the course. Mm-hmm. But okay, hash tables. And they give you is this, right? And they give you is this. Mm-hmm. All right, in order, post order, pre-order, depth first search, breadth first search, this track development for, which is something that I did. This is something that I did in past to understand a little bit more of that. Uh, but now it is to get a. Mhm. But now it's time to get this. Specific algorithm use: Howard quick select algorithm, Floyd Tortoise and Hare cycle detection algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, disk track algorithm, topological sort. N-ary trees, mean max heap, priority queues, 2D array matrix graph, agency list, agency matrix, interface design. Mhm. So allegedly, okay, according to Andrew, this in about a month to finish this course. Of course, it will take longer than it. Who knows? Who knows? I will be since I am more in about a month to finish this course. So we start is today, 70 here. Start date 70. Let's going to use the US notation, 70 here, 2023. Okay, this is the start date. All right. So the course is divided in two parts, right? So this course is to improve my problem solving coding skill, especially when it comes to face new challenge. All right. This is more like for backend tasks. Might also apply for front-end tasks. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah. Okay. But yeah. Okay. This is the course base. You can take the fast track and the complete and the text track. And this is all of the section in this course.
Structured in a way that we keep building this pyramid of knowledge. We'll start from basic and get into more and more advanced topics. Alright, I think it's time for us to start the course and get prepared to land our dream job. Let's get started and see you in the next section. Bye-bye.
Okay, this is more like the your classmate. Your video player is a powerful tool. If you use it correctly, it can make you more efficient and effective learning. So let's take a look. Your notebook, the most important feature in your video player is the ability to take notes directly inside a lesson. But it is funny because now here we can share as notes. You know, unlike Udemy that allows you to share notes with others, here we're not. Setting the quality, video quality, completing the lesson. Autoplay and continue. But if you prefer watching the lesson with English subtitles, there is a nifty little trick you can use to auto-generate subtitles. A nifty little trick. A nifty little trick. Downloading lessons, we would like you to give you flexibility, so we made it so you can download the majority of our content. If a lesson is downloadable, you will see a download button underneath the lesson. Simply click the button to download the lesson, and voila. Okay. And to complete that, say your learning streak. Oh well, this is more like for them. Okay. Let's do it.
Hello! Alright, I'm very excited. The very first section of the course. Now, in order to get any job, you need to have interviews. In order to get any interviews, you need to actually apply and get these interviews. If you're the best interviewer, the best at answering questions, solving puzzles, the best coder, it won't really mean much if you're unable to get an interview at a company and get them to see you. So the first step is also this, getting the actual interview. Now, the number one thing we need to do is to increase these odds, the odds of getting an interview. The more interviews you get, the more likely to get a job. The best way to get a job on top of being a good interviewer is getting in the door as much as possible and practicing your interviews. We are starting
getting in the door as much as possible, which is this. Getting more interviews. So the first step, getting in the door as much as possible.
This course with this first step so that even just a few minutes into the course, you can start applying to jobs and practice your interviewing skills, as most companies won't get back to you right away. So while you go through the course, you can start applying to companies and wait to hear back from them. And while you're waiting, you can practice your actual interviewing skills. So by the time that the interview comes, you're going to be ready for it. So let's have this goal in mind. If I apply to 100 companies, how can I increase the number of companies that will get back to me with interviews? We want to increase this percentage. By the end of this section, I want your success rate to be higher than 1%. 5% maybe higher. It doesn't matter as long as we're able to increase this. By increasing your percentage, you're getting closer and closer to that dream job. If you're applying to 100 jobs and you're not hearing back from any of them, or you only get one interview, that's 1%. Then you're probably doing something wrong. So we're going to take a look at that and make sure that you're following best practice and you're also doing a couple of tricks to make sure that your success rate isn't necessarily 1%. However, there's some good news for you. Interviewing is a numbers game. A person who has failed 100 interviews and got rejected.
So, interesting. This is another interesting thing. So, interview is a numbers game.
Rejected, but got one acceptance at Google is just the same as a person that has never failed an interview and is now working at Google with you. Despite them having offers from all the other companies, never failing an interview, always acing their coding interviews. That doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, all you need is that one really good offer, and you're in the same boat as somebody else. How awesome is that? In your resume, you don't put down how many times you failed. Your resume looks the same as Einstein over there. Well, maybe that's a bit of an exaggeration, but I hope you get this point. Your resume looks the same as a person who never got rejected at an interview. That's the good news. And as a matter of fact, I know a person who has been rejected by Google multiple times, but kept applying and is now working at Google. So in the upcoming section, we're going to be talking about some of these topics. And it should not take you more than a week to set everything up and start applying to jobs. If you're spending more than that, then you're wasting your time when you can be doing something better, such as improving your actual skills as a programmer. Don't get me wrong, you can keep improving here and there to optimize things, but the overall effort you put in to set things up before you start applying should be less than a week. Most people spend too much time.
Yeah, the effort you put in this is something important. The effort you put in this items below should be no more than a week or less or couple days.
I'm editing their resume and never applying to jobs, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to be covering how to optimize your resume, LinkedIn profiles, your portfolio, how to use email and referral to your advantage, and we're also going to cover some common questions such as how to make up for lack of experience. Maybe you just recently learned how to program and you don't have any job experience. How do we overcome that? We're also going to talk about when should you start applying to jobs, when are you truly ready, because some jobs post that they need 5 years of experience, and you're not sure whether you should apply to them or not. And then finally, we're also going to talk about where to find the jobs and what are some of the best places to look for jobs and apply online. And last note here, I want to warn you, some of these topics may be obvious to you. I've included them on here because not everyone will know these things. Although some things may seem obvious and silly, the last thing I want to do is to just assume that this comes easy and natural to you. Keep in mind that educational background, cultures, and many other factors will come into play here, so keep that in mind. The more technical, fun part, and frankly, my favorite parts, are going to start to begin after this section. So you're more than welcome to skip this section if you feel that getting an interview is not an issue for you. But otherwise, you might learn a thing or two. So stick with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Everyone's favorite topic, the resume. I doubt that many people actually enjoy writing their resume, but unfortunately it is a required part of the job search. Well, actually in a later video, I'll argue that this is not the case, but for now, let's leave it at that. In order to maximize your chances of getting an interview, you will most likely need a resume. A brief document that someone will glance over it about 10 seconds and decide if you are worth talking to for a potential interview or phone interview. How can we increase the odds here? Now, resumes are a bane to everyone's existence. Nobody likes writing them. And no employer offers a job just because of somebody's resume. So you need to treat it accordingly. Resumes are simply a way to get interviews. And again, you'll see soon that it's not the only way. Spend very little amount of time on your resume, no longer than a day. Look at the types of jobs that you want to have and have the words and characteristics described in those job postings on your resume. Finally, make it personal for each position you apply to so that employers' names is on the resume. It will take you 10 seconds, but by doing just those things, it already puts you above most people that just send mass amounts of resumes that look the same. Now, before we get into the details of how to make a resume look good, I want to show you a really nice tool. This is the ResumeMaker.online, a free tool that just creates a resume for you, or gives you a nice design and template that you can just fill out yourself. There are others like it online, so you shouldn't really format your own resume. I mean, you're a programmer, you're a developer, you should spend your time coding. and use the skills that other people have in design to improve your resume. So unless you're a designer, you don't really need to focus on making your resume visually appealing, and you can just use a template like this one. Most of your time, like I said, is better spent on other things. And again, remember what I said. In most cases, resumes get viewed for only 10 seconds by a recruiter, and they'll decide quickly if they should contact you for an in-person interview or a phone interview. Most people spend too much time on the resumes, tweaking small things, changing fonts, and, well, it's just a waste of time. Once you have a good resume that returns a good result, then you're all set and you shouldn't stress about it. And keep in mind that some companies that get a lot of resumes don't even have humans actually looking at the resume. And initially, they have some sort of an algorithm search that looks for keywords on your resume based on their job description. So let's go back to this slide. Now, I'm going to give you a cheat sheet in the next video and do a bit of an exercise that goes into a little bit more detail. But for now, let's follow these key points for having a nice resume. Resumes should be one page only. And unless you're an executive or something like that, you won't need more than a page. Second, make sure that your resume contains relevant skills. Each job has a specific requirement and they're looking for specific skills. These form great keywords to use in your resume. You can highlight the relevant skills in your professional summary that enables the employer to quickly get a grasp of the most impressive and important things in your profile. So again, try to use the keywords that they use in the job description in your resume. Thirdly, you want to make it look personal, like you didn't just mass email a bunch of companies. And one of the biggest mistakes you can make is to use the same resume for each job application. That doesn't mean making your resume handcrafted each time, spending hours for each company, because most of the time your resume will look the same. It's very easy to customize a resume though, maybe changing the headline or summary section at the top, where you can convey in a sentence how you would fit well with the company, or even just mention the particular company you're applying for. And then finally, you want to have some sort of an online link. You want to highlight perhaps your GitHub, your blog posts, portfolio websites. As a developer, you should have something that is present online for you to showcase to an employer. As a matter of fact, that is more impressive than a resume. And this is something we'll talk about later in this section. But that should be clearly highlighted on your resume. All right, these are just bullet points, and it's kind of hard to explain this without actually showing you a demo. So it's time for a little exercise. I have a little resume cheat sheet for you. And in the next video, I'm going to show you an example of a bad resume, then use the checklist to see how...
Interesting. There is
you know yourself and how to learn best. This isn't a video of me just telling you how to learn. Instead, I want to point out some things that may help you get the most out of this course based on how this course is structured. Think of this course as having two courses into one. The first part, right over here, is the non-technical aspects.
The technical coding interview.
These are the skills that you will use throughout your career to get a leg up from the competition and make sure that you are able to optimize your chances of getting a well-paid job that you love. We're going to be talking about how to get more interviews and talk about all these topics right over here. We'll also talk about non-technical interview questions, the most common questions that we get asked in an interview, and how to overcome them. And then finally, talk about offer and negotiation, an often overlooked skill, where we talk about how to handle offers and even negotiate rates.
Non-technical preparation.
The second part of the course is all technical. This is the really fun part of the course, where we learn fundamental computer science topics that get asked at some of the top companies.
Well, I need to... Okay, that'll be all for this video. Take care. Bye-bye.